On question 7, I'm trying to solve the trig equation, and my first step is to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other. So I want to move that negative cosine of theta that's on the right and move it over to the left. So I want to add cosine of theta to both sides. Then I want to factor. So I can factor out a cosine out of both of these terms. So cosine of theta, and that will leave a 2 cosine here, and then a plus 1 here. So then I want to set both of these equal to 0, and then solve. So now I'm ready to look at the unit circle. So cosine is the x values. So where is x equal to 0? That would be here at pi over 2 and here at 3 pi over 2. So those are the answers from that branch of the problem. Next I want to look for where is cosine of theta equal to negative 1/2. So where is x equal to negative 1/2 on my unit circle? And that's here at 2 pi over 3, and then here at 4 pi over 3. And these will be our 4 different answers.